Navigating military life often means adapting to new places, new routines, and new challenges. Sometimes, you just wish you had someone who truly understands what you are going through, someone who has walked a similar path before you. Fortunately, finding a mentor as a military spouse is very achievable through a combination of official military programs, community organizations, and proactive networking within your local military community. The core idea behind mentorship for military spouses is to connect you with someone experienced who can offer wisdom and support. This helps you gain confidence, learn practical tips for managing unique military family situations, and build a stronger sense of belonging. It provides a safe space to ask questions and share experiences without judgment. Explore official resources offered by your specific military branch or installation. Family Readiness Groups, often called FRGs, are an excellent starting point. They connect spouses based on their service member's unit. Many installations also have formal spouse organizations or education centers that offer mentorship programs. For example, the Air Force Aid Society provides programs like the Bundles for Babies, which often connects new parents with experienced ones. You can also look into the Military OneSource website, which offers resources and sometimes even direct connections to mentorship opportunities. Next, leverage the power of community. Attending local events, spouse coffee mornings, or volunteer opportunities is a fantastic way to meet seasoned spouses. Be open about your desire to learn and connect. Often, a mentor relationship develops naturally from these interactions. Consider joining online groups specific to military spouses, but always aim to transition online connections to in-person meetings when possible, ensuring safety and building genuine rapport. Organizations like the National Military Family Association or local spouse clubs often facilitate these connections. Do not be afraid to approach someone you admire and ask if they would be willing to share their insights with you over coffee. This shows initiative and respect for their experience. A key insider tip is to look for mentors who are not just experienced, but who also embody the qualities you aspire to develop, whether that is resilience during deployments, successful career management, or effective parenting in a military context. This targeted approach ensures the mentorship is deeply relevant to your personal and professional growth. Also, consider reverse mentoring. Sometimes a newer spouse has fresh perspectives that can benefit a more experienced mentor. By actively engaging with official programs and community initiatives, you can build a valuable network of support and guidance. A strong mentor can transform your military spouse journey, turning potential anxieties into opportunities for growth and helping you thrive no matter where your service member's career takes you.